All right, y'all, I am about to put a lamp together. I got from my local Walmart because my other one went out. So let's get into it. Look at these pictures. This is one where you can just simply step on it, turn it on. I didn't even realize that when I picked it up. Okay. This is the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and screw that in. I already know my child gonna be going to play with it. Hopefully this one don't go out. I think this one's gonna be a little shorter than my other one, but yeah. Hopefully it's gonna be good. All right. Going. What else I need? Now we're getting some height on this thing. We're gonna raise this up so you can see. again, this is what the box shows. And this is what I got so far. This in over here. Kind of hard not to try to hold it. Okay, so that's in. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out, make sure it works. Take a little safety seal off. Unplug my wall plug. That thing had a snap. That was a little different from my other lamp, which is great. Now what we're gonna do is test it out. So here it is. This is the button. Oh, this is so neat. So I'm gonna turn off my ring light. Where you can see how it looks here in the room. When you're ready to turn it off, just step on it. Nice, right? Let's see if I'm gonna turn it around. Yeah, just a little bit. This is so cute. Thinking cute. All right, so that's pretty much it, and guys have a good night.